We have a content management system that we provide to school districts and educational organizations. It makes it very easy for our customers to update content on their website.
Products and services here that we offer eSchoolView, we actually started off with our original content management system, which is the system that allows our school districts to have a website and a web presence for them. In addition to that, we've recently implemented our mobile suite package, which includes a true mobile version of the site that operates on any mobile device, whether it's a small 2.5-inch display screen or an iPad, and it's truly optimized for their site. In addition to that feature inside our mobile suite, we also include a mobile app on the Android platform as well as the iPhone platform. In addition to our CMS and our mobile suite package, we also offer our facilities management tool, and the facilities management tool is designed to allow school districts to schedule facilities, not only classrooms but office space, athletic facilities, stadiums. It does the scheduling to allow for no duplication, as well as it becomes a tool to do payment processing for the district.
I've had the fortune or the misfortune of using several different content management systems, and by far eSchoolView's CMS is the easiest I've found.
We are truly innovators when it comes to our product and service, and we innovate our product and service based on the feedback of our customers. So we will always ask our customers, what features and functionalities are you looking for to make our product better? And our customers' feedback is very important to us, and every 90 days when we do a product enhancement onto our system, all of our customers receive that benefit, not just the customer who brought it to us.
Here at eSchoolView, we're wired about technology. We love building products and solutions that our customers appreciate. Even if it takes a little extra coffee and a little extra time late at night to make things work, we'll do whatever it takes to make things happen for your district.
What sets us apart first is our product. It's very easy to use. People can learn our product in under an hour. Secondly is our support. If you pick up the phone and give us a call, you're going to get someone on the phone immediately. And third are our partnerships, which offer a variety of services and benefits to our districts and organizations.
Customer service is the best, period. Best I've ever seen in the many companies and different vendors that I've dealt with over my career as a technology director.
Customer service is #1 priority for us. And a lot of companies out there will actually say that that's their biggest focus. I can tell you here at eSchoolView, we truly live it. And prior to joining the team, I was actually one of their customers, and I experienced firsthand the amount of support that we here at eSchoolView offer our customers.